In this video, I will show you how you can destroy buildings in ICARUS. So let's say you want to destroy this roof or wall or floor or whatever you want. You can also destroy those wooden beams. So all you need to do, just give me a second. You need to go to the near of the wall, let's say, and you want to press Y on keyboard, and this will destroy this wall, and you will receive the wall in your inventory. Or you can also take hammer in hand, and you can let's say hover your mouse over, let's say, this wooden beam, and as you can see, if you press Y on keyboard, it will remove this wooden beam. So this is how you can destroy buildings in ICARUS. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials.